Now I am going to take English for you. Okay, children. So I think you have completed your classwork and you have taken correction. So if you have not taken correction, please come and take correction, children. So this is FA2 test revision paper. Test is coming now, children. So we are giving revisions. So sit and practice at home, children. Now I am going to read the revision paper. Okay, children. Listen carefully. First main, write the meanings. First one, golden. Golden means made of gold. M-A-D, made. O-F of G-O-L-D, gold. Second one, present. Gift. G-I-F-T, gift. Third one, remark. Remark means an opinion. A-N-O-P-I-N-I-O-N, an opinion. Fourth one, slipper. Slipper means footwear. F-O-O-T, foot, W-E-A-R, footwear. So this is meanings. Once again I am going to read. First one, golden, made of gold. Second one, present, gift. Third one, remark, an opinion. Fourth one, slipper, footwear. Next main. Second main, write the opposites. First one, rich, poor. P-O-O-R, poor. Second one, like, dislike. D-I-S-L-I-K-E, dislike. Third one, go, come. C-O-M-E, come. Fourth one, wise, foolish. F-O-O-L-I-S-H, foolish. Fifth one, take, give. G-I-V-E, give. Okay, children. So these are the opposites. Once again, I am going to read. Rich, poor. Like, dislike. Go, come. Wise, foolish. Take, give. Now next main, third main, write the plurals. First one. So for one we will say singular. For more than one we will say plurals. Room. So room is a one. So for so many, two or more, we will say rooms. R-O-O-M-S, rooms. Second one, mouse, mice. M-I-C-E, mice. Third one, paper, papers. P-A-P-E-R-S, papers. Fourth one, half, horse. H-A-L-V-E-S, horse. Fifth one, camel, camels. C-A-M-E-L-S, camels. Okay, children. So these are the plurals. Once again I am going to read. Room, rooms. Mouse, mice. Paper, papers. Half, horse. Camel, camels. Next main, write the rhyming words. First one, king, ring. R-I-N-G, ring. Second one, peel, feel. F-E-E-L, feel. Third one, mummy, tummy. T-U-M-M-Y, tummy. Fourth one, shop, chop. C-H-O-P, chop. Fifth one, money, honey. H-O-N-E-Y, honey. See children, here, this is rhyming words. Only the first letter, starting letter will be changed in the answer. So for K, you must write R. Others are all there in the question only. King, ring. So for P, you must change into F. Peel, feel. Third one, for M, you must change into T. Mummy, tummy. Fourth one, For S, you must change into C. So, shop, chop. Fifth one. For M, you must write H. So, it become money, honey. Okay, children. Next main, rearrange the letters. So, the letters are not arranged properly. You must arrange that one to a meaningful sentence. So, first one, Lowye. So, the correct spelling and word is yellow. Spelling is Yellow. Second one, Okbo. So, the correct word is book and the spelling is Book. Third one, Tnesrep. So, the correct word is present and spelling is Present. Present. Fourth one, Teksab. So, the correct word is basket and the spelling is Basket. Basket. Fifth one, Bonel. So, correct answer is spelling word is noble. Spelling is Noble. Noble. Okay, children. So, once again, I'll read the answers spellings. First one, Yellow. Second one, Book. Third one, Present. Present. Fourth one, Basket. Basket. Fifth one, Noble. Noble. Now next main, write she word for the given he word. Means there will be masculine gender, you must write into feminine gender. Okay, children? So, masculine gender is called he gender, he word, and the feminine gender is called she word. Okay, children? First one, king means Raja. So, answer is queen means Rani. Queen. Queen. King, queen. Second one, husband. 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 Answer is wife. Wife. Wife means ganda enti. Third one, bull. 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 So the answer is cow. 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 Gandasuge bull antivi, hennasuge cow antivi. Next fourth one, horse. 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 Mare. Mare. Horse means kudre. Gandu kudrege horse antivi, hennu kudrege mare antivi. Mare. So these are the she words. Once again I will read. King, queen. 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 Husband, wife. 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 Bull, cow. Cow. Horse, mare. Mare. Next main, write the poem. The poem name is Mice. Mice. See, in this poem is in your textbook. Okay, children. Now I'll read the poem. Mice eat anything, orange peel and bits of string, colored paper, fish heads too. Anything at all will do. Now I'll read the spelling. Mice, mice, eat, mice eat. Anything, anything. Orange, orange, peel, peel, orange peel, and bits, bits, string, string, and bits of string. Colored, colored, paper, fish, heads, too, colored paper, fish heads too. anything, anything, at, all, anything at all, will do. So once again I am going to read the poem. Mice eat anything, orange peel and bits of string, colored paper, fish heads too, anything at all will do. So this is the poem. By heart the poem, children. It will come for test. Next main, complete the words with EE or EA. First one, SW dash dash T. So in the dash you must write EE. So it becomes sweet. SWEET, sweet. Second one, P dash dash S. So if you write in the dash EA, it becomes peas. PEAS, peas. Third one, T dash dash TH. So in the dash if you write EE, it will become teeth. TEETH, teeth. Fourth one, S dash dash T. So in the dash if you write EA, it will become seat. SEAT, seat. Okay, children. First is sweet. Second one peas. Third one teeth. Fourth one seat. Now next main is answer the following. Means question answer. First one, what was the name of the king? Answer. The name of the king was Midas. TH is the NANE name. OF of TH is the KING, king. WAS was MIDAS, Midas. The name of the king was Midas. Second one, do you eat slippers? Why do mice eat slippers? Answer. No, for the mice slippers are tasty, so they eat. So the question what they ask means, do you eat slippers? So you eat slippers, children? No, we won't eat, no. So answer is no. So why do the mice eat slippers? Why they will eat? So the slippers are very tasty, so they will eat. Okay, children. Now spellings. NO, no. FOR, for. TH, the. MICE, mice. SLIPP, ERS, slippers. ARE, TASTY, tasty. SO, so. THEY, they. EAT, eat. No, for the mice slippers are tasty, so they eat. Third one, what are they buying at the bakery? Answer. They are buying a loaf of bread and some cakes. Answer. Spellings. THEY, they. ARE, BUYING, buying. LOAF, loaf. OF, of. BREAD, bread. and SOM is some. CAKES, cakes. They are buying a loaf of bread and some cakes. Okay, children. So these are question answers. Any doubt, children? I think you could have understood this revision. So test is coming now, children. So please sit and practice at home in the rough note 3 or 4 times and read, children. Thank you, children.